1 month ago, I tricked my mulberry into producing. How I did this, I'm about to share that from scratch with you, so stay tuned.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. I thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. I'm going to take you through all the details while I harvest. So let's take you back. So here I am just going to strip off the leaves. I'm not trying to take off the branches. The more branches you have on, the more mulberries you'll get. So you see these little parts, the nodes, you want to keep them on because that is where the fruits are actually going to come from. So notice just the leaves, not the branches. Keep your branches. Yes, you can prune your mulberry plant like at the tops where they are going up and you want to keep them at a level and so forth, but all these small branches, they are needed. So yes, ensure that you leave all those nodes intact. All right, it is a little flimsy, so if you just pull on it and drag, then yeah, all of this will come off. So try to just get the leaves. Again, I can't stress that enough. Alright, so this is it when it's all completed. I took off all the leaves right here at this point, as you can see, and so it is extremely bared. I did prune some of the tops, but just a little. So I am going up, I'm going up, I'm going up. Yes, so you may see some little parts right there. Yes, those are the little areas that I took from the top. Nothing much. If you notice, you're seeing mainly leaves on the ground and you're not really seeing any branches.
So this is after 4 days.
The nodes are a lot more pronounced and I'm getting a lot all over the plant. So it is now 1 week. 1 week to be exact. And look at here. So I know within a few days that I will see blossoms coming on. Look at this one.
I am not giving you any maybe information or guessing what I'm telling you. This is concrete information. All right? It works for me all the time. I'm telling you. For those who are following me for quite some time, they can tell you. And this is 9 days in. 9 days after stripping. So soon I'll have fruits. This is exactly 14 days. And you can see that the fruits will be coming on very soon. Well, the blossoms will be turning fruits soon. And the leaves are coming on as rapidly as the blossoms. Yeah.
It is now 3 weeks. Alright, so you see the fruit now. They are formed. They are red. What I notice over the years is that as they ripen, they get bigger. It actually has a lot on there.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only only problem is dollars not run with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I hear some me born and me not transplant. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, so what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. A man will live on a banana boat and him a gone over broad. Because him say everywhere better than he have. But when him touch certain countries, see this system a fraud. Him have to run back a jam down and give it its reward. What a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, so what a sweet place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. Yes, I'm a born, yes, I'm a come from. Yes, I'm a live, I am intent to turn. Regardless of the economical condition, you must admit this is a glorious land. Say what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run. Say what a nice place to live.
You know they are ripe when they look like this. Dark purple next to black. You see that liquid on my finger there? Yeah, that's what they do when they're well ripened.
Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars not run, so help me pick up Jamaica, the land of food and water. The system might not proper, we love the food, the vibes and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? We never know, say that it's a serious thing until me reach in a foreign. Oh, what a nice place we live. Sweet jam down.
So this is my little harvest. There are more on there, but they need to ripen a little more. So maybe I'll get those later. So yeah, get you a dwarf mulberry plant and have a continuous harvest by tricking it into dormancy. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.